The Ideal Fastener's commitment to quality is evidenced through the Ideal Quality Assurance System. The centerpiece of the IQAS is the Ideal Fastener's state-of-the-art laboratory for testing of self-drilling screws, which is unparalleled in Australia and possibly abroad. Many different laboratory drilling tests are conducted for speed analysis against the predetermined levels of performance needed for on-site customer satisfaction. This understanding of the drilling performance expected from customers on-site can only be drawn from years of experience of supplying self-drilling fasteners directly to metal roofing contractors. Drilling through a double thickness of purlins by hand simulates the lapping of Z purlins found on-site. This critical application often causes failures with lesser quality screws. Crest fixing corrugated profile to thin metal battens by hand simulates the customer demands on site. The screw must instantly pierce the roof sheet and metal batten. It must not skewed or wander, which can cause scratching of pre-painted roof sheets. There must be minimal drilling swarf. Bend testing is vital to ensure the metallic structure of the steel is sound and it has the correct ductility to avoid on-site failures. Pull-out tests are where the strength of the overall fixing is governed by the screw's hold in the substrate material. Where extremely high end loads are encountered in very thick steel, the strength of the screw itself can become the determining factor as to the strength of the overall fixing. For this reason, the axial tensile strength of the screw is tested by applying heavy loading along the axis of the screw until it fails. A conductive EDPM rubber seal can cause blistering of the pre-painted roof profile around the screw head. Once the paint fails, corrosion of the underlying metal in the roof profile will occur. This usually is only apparent in highly corrosive environments. The corrosion performance of the screw is dependent upon the thickness, density, and quality of the surface coating or plating on the screw. To see inside a screw to examine the coating requires it to be cut open. Once cut, the screws need to be ground and polished to a mirror finish in order to be examined under the microscope. The examination occurs at 500 times magnification, and the thickness of the coating is measured in microscopic detail. To the management and staff at Ideal Fasteners, commitment to quality are not just words, it's our way of life and ably supported through the IQAS, Ideal Quality Assurance System. For further information, product availability or on-site demonstrations, simply contact our Melbourne, Sydney or Brisbane sales staff or go to www.idealfast.com.au.